Thomas Network here with another unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Xbox One wireless controller for Windows or an Xbox One with an adapter. I heard this could also work with 360 since there is a controller. Actually, this could work with anything pretty much, but it was made specifically for Windows by Microsoft. It was bought on Amazon, and so the box is pretty simple. We'll go ahead and get right in. And so, okay, that was a pretty bad. Okay, I'm just gonna put that back. So right when we get in, I guess this is how it's supposed to be, just like this. Pretty nice setup. Let me go ahead and feel the controls. So it does feel a tiny bit different, especially the D-pads. The D-pad is really, the padding on this is pretty nice, I would say. Relatively the same size as it. Zoom into the buttons quickly for a little bit.
It's got the same A, B, Y, and X. Same as this. It's pretty much like the 360, except the feeling is a lot better. And
so here is the 360. This one's a wired controller. As you can see, this is a lot more smoother than this, I would say. Like this one's really nice and smooth, and this one's a little bit harsher, I would say. I really like this. I mean, I really like the LT and RT triggers.
These ones are silent, though.
Yeah, these ones are silent. They're silenced. But I feel like, I'm not sure.
I like one better.
I don't know. I mean, since this one is way more expensive, I would say compared to this one, I would rather take this one because of the price, apparently.
Oh, yeah.
But, oh well, let's continue. Here's a AA battery, or here's the adapter first off. Pretty simple, you just plug it in.
Is it wireless?
Well, yeah, because of the adapter.
Oh, well, there's a wire.
And so they're just giving a wire in case you want it to be wired. Here's some manuals. I never look at these, actually.
I mean, like, why would you need manuals for a controller?
I mean, some people do, but... Well, I mean, it doesn't... I guess they don't have any. Yep, so I guess I will have to be putting in some AA batteries. Oh, well, here's the cable in which it goes... No.
Nope.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh, so... This would go into the PC, and this would, I guess, this would actually be the extender, actually. If you were using this, yeah, it would be the extender. So, yeah, so you just extend it into the cable if this was like far away or something. Or it could be used for other things, I guess. I'm yet to find that out, but I will find it out soon. But, yeah, well, I mean, okay, so obviously for this button, I would take Xbox 360. The home button, I don't know. I'll just give it to Xbox One because I guess the design's way nicer. But if you ask me, if they were both the same price, I would probably take the Xbox One, but this one's like way more, so I'd probably take the 360. I mean, it actually is a pretty big difference, actually.
Overall, what do you think is better?
If price didn't matter, I would say that Xbox One controller is better, but since price actually kind of does matter, unless you're really rich.
How much was the one?
This one was around $65 on Amazon. This one is $25 if you want the wired, but this is wireless. The wired one is $40.
Okay.
And this one, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have an adapter for wireless to Windows, which...
Yeah, you see, you can't, like, take it out. It's just pretty much stuck in there.
And so that concludes our video. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and comment. We hope to see you later on some more of our...
Sneak peek of next video.
No. We'll end it now. No.
Do it! Do it!